Well, today we are out in the woods here looking at a cave here. Got 2 holes here. It sounds like there's an echoing waterfall in there, so we're gonna go explore around and take a look and see if it goes anywhere. Today we got my dad, Kevin, and me, so in our 3-man group. But I'm gonna take a look down in these 2 holes and see what I can see. Ooh. It opens up in there. I see where it opens up at. What? Oh. Okay. Not that tight. Oh, spider webs. Clear these spider webs out. Ooh. Oh. Actually, some things in here. Guess we'll see. Or not. Whoa. Got an interesting little area. Where's that even from? Oh, huh. Little pit. Alright. See what else is in here. What? Yeah. Going down that way, but I can't see much. I might go over there. You see what I'm looking at? See if I can get over there. Wet. Very wet. Some collapse in here. The one in collapses seems to be the name of it. Seems to be the case with this cave. I'm trying to stay out of the water best I can here. Yeah, also I'm holding the GoPro by hand today because of forgot a screw for it, so. See where it goes, the tough part. Does it go under there? Alright, I don't want to fall in the water too much. I guess I should send it. Take a look maybe? Yeah, I'll take a look. We'll go. Through the water. This might have been not wash my towel. Looking around in here. Whoa. Just a low bedding plane crawl. Seems to be all for here. Here's my dad.
I know, I'm just trying to see if I could somehow put my foot down through there.
Yeah, I can see where your foot was.
From when you were underneath?
Yeah.
How did you know? My foot wasn't there yet.
Well, I could see, well, the leaves were falling down and stuff.
So it was going to the same place you were?
No, it was in a spot that I couldn't reach, but I couldn't tell if it was good or not.
It looks bigger down there if you want to take a peek.
Yeah, sure, I'll take a
peek. Don't try to get down head first because you will smash your face.
Yeah, I won't try to go down head first. I'll just go in there and take a peek.
Oh.
I'm gonna go down the hole. My dad
dropped it open.
Oh, yeah.
So we were over there.
Oh, there ain't no way you could have fit down this. Yeah.
It didn't look too bad.
Can't tell what it does down there. Looks like it just goes around to maybe where that pit was. Yeah, this side. Anything much over here? Nah. So, there's some brimstone down there. I'm back in the bottom of this cave again. Because the entrance. If you look past the brimstone, you can see where it drops off into something. I can't tell what though. So, we're not gonna work in here today. It's really wet.
So we're gonna probably call it a day here and move on, go find something better. But yeah. Oh wow, that's pretty. Oh, it's just all right next to me right here. Hey, look at all that. All around pretty wow. It's like almost like cave pearls forming. Oh, that is really pretty. Wow. Let me adjust myself a little bit. All real pretty stuff right there. Nice. But yeah, we're gonna probably not work here today. So we're gonna call it a day here.
We're gonna make our way away from here. Make sure you like, subscribe, help the channel, helps me. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.